Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like a cat and dress to impress for animal theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose these hairstyles and you're going to color it gray and black, and you're going to add eyelashes, and then you're going to increase the scale. You can copy mine, and then you're going to add this item, and I'm going to color it black for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm just going to make it black as well. Okay, and for the face is done, and then I'm going to go to this area and choose this item, and then I'm going to apply this dot pattern. Okay, then I'm going to wear this jacket, and again I'm going to apply the same pattern, and I'm going to choose this corset. And for this, oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. I'm going to select this corset, and I'm going to make all the selection white. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to select the skirt here. I'm going to choose this one, color it white, and this one, color it white as well. Okay, then for the shoe, I'm just going to choose this Mary Jane shoe, and I'm going to color it white for all the selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to select the coat item. Okay, I'm going to go to the coat item, and I'm going to select the cat. Wait, let me search for it. Okay, this one. All right, and then I'm going to, oops, sorry, I'm going to go back to the dressing room, and then I'm going to use one of the currency items, which is right here, this dress. I'm just going to make it white for all the selection. Okay, and I'm going to move to the hat area. It's right here. Okay, and then I'm going to select this fur hat and also this hat, and for this one I'm just going to make it black. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.